In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life in Notion, creating a second brain that will help you streamline everything from tasks to ideas in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into turning chaos into clarity with Notion. First things first, log into your Notion account. If you haven't signed up yet, head to notion.so and create your free account. It's the most user-friendly setup out there, making it easy for beginners and pros alike. Once you're in, we're going to create a new page. This will act as the central hub for all your thoughts, ideas, and projects. To start, click on the Plus New Page option in the sidebar to create a blank canvas for your second brain. Now that you have a clean slate, let's name it Second Brain Dashboard. The name itself will help remind you of the purpose of this page, to act somewhat like a second brain where you store everything you need to remember but don't want to keep juggling in your head. Keep this page clean and focused, as it will serve as the command center for everything you do in Notion. With your dashboard set up, it's time to decide how you want to structure your inner workings. A good start is to create links or subpages for your core areas of life. These can be anything from work and personal to goals and projects. This personalization is the beauty of Notion. Creating links to these areas allows you to quickly jump between different life aspects seamlessly. Now comes one of the most crucial components of your Notion setup, a place for capturing ideas quickly. This is where you'll gather thoughts, inspirations, or anything you need to jot down rapidly. Create either a page or a database for this purpose so nothing slips through the cracks. When ideas strike, you'll have a dedicated spot that awaits these bursts of creativity. Next, you'll want to organize everything by category. A popular method is the PARA system, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Organizing using a clear method helps you locate information with ease and maintain focus on what truly matters. To round off your beautifully organized second brain dashboard, let's add a calendar view. This feature is brilliant for tracking tasks and projects on a timeline, offering an at-a-glance look at what's coming up. Use this to effectively manage deadlines and stay ahead in your planning. This visual aid will be your new best friend for mastering time management without overloading your mind. In just a few steps, we've transformed a blank page into the ultimate tool for managing your life. Your second brain is now set up and ready to evolve alongside you. Stay creative, stay organized, and watch as your productivity effortlessly multiplies. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep turning life's complexities into simplicity with Notion.